Hello everyone, welcome back to WordPress Master. Today in my video, I am going to teach you how to display two products per row in WooCommerce in mobile view. First of all, let us look into my website. This is my website. Now in my website, only one product per row is displayed. I want to display two products per row. One product in the left side and one product in the right side. Look into this page. This is what I said. This is how my website should look. So I will teach you how to create a shop page or product page like this. First of all, we can go to my dashboard, our dashboard. In dashboard, go to plugins sections. I will tell you one thing, we don't need to know any coding for creating a shop page with two products per row in mobile view in WooCommerce. We need only plugin. With the help of a plugin, we can create a two product per row show page. The plugin that we need is Yellow Pencil. With Yellow Pencil CSS editor, we can create a two product per row WooCommerce page. This is the plugin that I am talking about. Visual CSS Style Editor. This is also known as Yellow Page Editor. I have already installed and activated this plugin, so I can directly go to my install plugins. Here, look, I have already installed and activated Yellow Pencil. So I will tell you how we can create a two product per row shop page. First, go to our website, open our products or shop page. Now choose any one category. Then take the final page where all your products are shown. This is my page where my products are shown. So in this page, on the top bar, you will see edit with Yellow Pencil and other edit category, customize and your dashboard options. Here click on edit with Yellow Pencil. Now my Yellow Pencil is opened. Okay, now in the left side you will see some options like CSS editor, find an element, responsive mode, measuring tool, etc. Here click on responsive mode. Okay, now in responsive mode, in the top bar again you can see 480px. Click on that for 480px. 480px is mobile version, mobile responsive theme. So now look here, this is my mobile view of my website. Now here we can see only one product is shown per row. Now I want to change this to two products per row. So what we need is click between two products. Click on this gap between the two products. Now this column will be selected. This products column will be selected. We need to edit this products column. Now come to the right side. Now here we can change that columns, text, color, family, font size, etc. We can change background, etc. Lot of options are here. We can change everything. What we need to change is we need to change the grid. Okay, now you can see this is what we need to edit. This is in the bottom they will be showing the number of rows per page. We don't need to add any row here. We need to add the column for the row. So I am going to add my second column. By clicking on the plus sign, the additional column will be added to my theme, to my mobile view. Okay, so I have added my second column for the row. So now 2 products per row is shown for my mobile view. Now I need to save. It is called save. Now come back to, now look at this. Now my website is changed. Now I can see 2 products per row in my website in mobile view. So this is a good plugin actually. Yellow Pencil is a very good plugin where we can visually edit our CSS. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts or if your theme is not working with this trick, then please comment. I can help you with that.